Today's class, let us discuss oxides of nitrogen. Do subscribe. So the first one is nitrous oxide, nitric oxide, nitrogen trioxide, nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen pentaoxide. So nitrous oxide also we are calling laughing gas, which is used as anesthesia. So formula N2O, structure is important, oxidation state +1, and if you observe nitrous oxide and nitric oxide, both are neutral oxides of nitrogen. Even CO also neutral oxide. Preparation is very important. Ammonium nitrate, on heating, we are getting laughing gas plus we are getting water. Most important question, nitrate, generally ammonium salts, ammonium nitrate salts will give generally nitrogen, but your ammonium nitrate giving nitrous oxide. If you take ammonium nitrite, very important question, we are getting nitrogen plus we are getting 2 water. So these two are very important, my dear children. Next one, nitric oxide. Generally nitric oxide is colorless and paramagnetic in nature. This is because of odd number of electrons. And very important, brown ring complex formula, FeH2O taken 5 NO plus. Here in brown ring, the oxidation state of iron is +1. And most important point is, in brown ring, NO is present in the form of nitrosonium. And so if you observe preparation, Ostwald method, preparation of HNO3, the first equation, oxidation of ammonia in presence of platinum catalyst, we are getting nitric oxide. So here, very important question, in nitric oxide, we have odd electron bond. Which bond? Odd electron bond. Similarly, if you take nitrogen trioxide, which is also called as blue solid, which of the following oxide of nitrogen is blue solid? Blue solid, that is nitrogen trioxide. It has both symmetrical and unsymmetrical structure. In NCERT you can find the structures, oxidation state +3, diamagnetic and acidic. Preparation, if you observe, when NO reacts with NO2, we are getting N2O3, nitrogen trioxide. Similarly, N2O3 in hydrolysis, we are getting HNO2. Therefore, N2O3 is called anhydride of HNO2. Similarly, nitrogen dioxide, which is reddish brown color gas, paramagnetic in nature, colorless, paramagnetic, reddish brown color, paramagnetic. At high temperature, it is forming dimer. It is also having symmetrical and unsymmetrical structure. And so preparation is very important, my dear children. Lead nitrate, on heating, we are getting nitric oxide, nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen plus we are getting PbO. Very important, both are gases and both are paramagnetic in nature. And most important point, it is anhydride of both HNO2 and HNO3. It is anhydride of both HNO2 and HNO3. Similarly, nitrogen pentaoxide, structure is important. It is also having both symmetrical and unsymmetrical cis and trans. So here, nitrogen, oxygen, one bridged oxygen is there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 covalent bonds are there. Similarly, 2 day2 bonds are there. And maximum covalency 4, acidic in nature. So HNO3, from HNO3 if you remove water, we are getting N2O5. Therefore HNO3 is called anhydride of HNO3. And most important point, in solid state, N2O5 existing as nitronium nitrate. So for example, I am taking NO2 plus. Plus means one electron is lost. Nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4. Each oxygen requires 2 electrons, 2 bond pairs. Therefore hybridization is sp. In nitrate, hybridization is sp2. So like this we are discussing important points in oxides of nitrogen. Listen 2-3 times and read NCERT. That is the only way to can get through more number of questions. So next one is trioxides, tetraoxides and pentaoxides. As the oxidation number increases, acidic nature increases. Whereas stability, if you observe, trioxides are more stable than tetraoxides and pentaoxides. First one is acidic nature, the second one is stability. Similarly, one more question is there. One more question. Nitrous oxide, nitric oxide, nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen pentaoxide. So what is the order of acidic nature? Oxidation state +1, +2, +3, +4, +5. As we know, oxidation number increases, acidic nature also increases. So like this, so we are revising oxides of nitrogen. So I am doing speed because already you know. Thank you one and all.